Let me show you how to transform leftover rice into the most incredible fried rice you have ever tasted. Start with your day-old rice. That slight dryness is actually perfect for frying. The seasoning blend is key. Use 1 spoon of light wine for saltiness, 1 spoon of dark wine for that beautiful rich color, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for depth, and just a touch of sugar to balance everything out. Mix until every grain is evenly coated in this flavor-packed sauce. Heat your pan until it is properly hot. Then pour in 3 well-whisked eggs. The immediate sizzle tells you the temperature is perfect. Scramble them quickly into soft, fluffy cuts. The rapid cooking keeps them tender rather than rubbery. Add diced hot dots. The smoky, savory flavor pairs perfectly with the eggs. A pinch of salt and pepper enhances everything without overpowering. Keep everything moving until the aromas start to make your stomach rumble. Now add your seasoned rice. The high heat and constant toasting will drive off any remaining moisture, creating that perfect, slightly chewy texture that great fried rice is known for. Watch as each grain separates and gets coated in all the delicious flavors. Finish with a generous handful of fresh scallions. The final minute of cooking allows their brightness to permeate the entire dish, while still keeping some texture. What emerges from the pan is pure gold, fluffy eggs, savory hot dots, and perfectly seasoned rice that somehow tastes better than anything you could order. That first bite explains everything. This is not just leftovers, it is a masterpiece in disguise.